My fam. Wonder if I'm the only one here. Because if I'm the only one, then it's gonna be super chill, relaxed. I wonder if on this beautiful Saturday evening here in the US, I'm the only DJ watching and paying attention to the charts. Or if DJs are alive and awake. I'm here. Here we are. We're here, bro. How's it going, my fam? Cheers. Salud. Cheers, everybody. XRP fam, we're no longer dumping. We're no longer dumping, right? I mean, 276, that was painful, of course. Yesterday, we got some Ethereum, of course, 4,200. Now it came back. That's good. Algorand, very happy to be back. I mean, come on, Algo. But I don't know if you watch my previous videos today. Those who did, I know my Discord server, there's Ghost. Those who did, what's up, Summer? Good to see you. Crypto Band Life in the house. Hey, Oscar Live. Never caught you live. Awesome to meet you. What's up, Dad Hooded? Good to have you, Dad. That's really nice to see you. You have the chart on my TV. Those are the real DJs, baby. Drop a like, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Welcome. I know this is nothing for some people. I know this is everything for some people, but we're winning. $2,700 in one position profit right now, guys. $1,300 profit in another position. Really nice. Just today, with a 10x, my liquidation level is 25. I think I'm good. I got a 10x, so I think I shouldn't be scared, honestly, at this point. I should be fine. This is a special one. It's time to pump, I say, right? Dude, like, we pass this 32 tonight, we're gonna be very happy. We're gonna be very happy. So Monday, for my friend VVB87, on Monday, World Liberty Financial is gonna become tradable. And there's posts like this, the one you see on top of me, saying, once the token launches and the government team starts chilling it, the narrative and the hype will explode. Billions in market cap are extremely achievable. I think so, bro. I think so too. Like, I've seen posts saying that it's going to go to $10. There's some scam posts, so be careful with them, of course. Be very, very, very careful with them. Like this one. World Liberty Financial perpetual market cap price of $5.7 equates to the spot market, reflecting a 100 billion supply adjustment. My $2 price target is realistic. I've seen this post a lot. I'm not sure about it, but I've seen a bunch of posts today. I'm sure there's some bots trying to pump it, trying to kind of like lure people to buy it. There's always somebody, because here's the deal. It's not that the token is a bad token. It's like there's no police in crypto, right? There's nobody telling you, hey, you cannot mimic or duplicate or make a token that is a scam, that is the same name with the same image, right? There's no police for that. Like you cannot make a new Microsoft, right? If I make a Microsoft stock with almost the same, which actually the same ticker, you cannot do that in the stock market, of course. But in crypto, you can do that, and the only thing that changes is the contract. But a lot of the people don't know that, and they buy the crypto that has the same name, the same image, a different website, and a different contract, and they lose everything. So you gotta be very careful. That is why I'm buying it only on exchanges. I'm buying the perpetuals. I'm buying the long, right? The long. I haven't played the game for Pengu. I haven't. Ah, dude, but it's $100 billion. Sorry, 100 billion market cap. That's look. All of this are not. All of these are not the one. None of these are the ones like I have. Look, 16 results. 16 results. Look at all these garbages, scams, nonsense. This all scam. Gotta be very, very careful. Hmm. Thank you, Ghost. Welcome, buddy. 0.12 by Tuesday. Dude, you think that we're gonna go down all the way? It's 30 cents right now. Buy the rumor, sell the news. There's a big chance that it drops and people lose money. There's a big chance. As in crypto, there's no such thing as, oh, look, there's a big date coming in. Once the date comes, everything is going to happen and everything's going to explode. Um, to me, it's a 50-50. That's why I have a good position, but it's not like I'm going to sell my XRP or sell my Cardano or sell my Ethereum and go all in. And no, I'm not going to do that. I just have some positions on the side just in case, because you never know, right? You never know, honestly. Hmm. Somebody's saying I moved all my investments from stocks to XRP at 350,000 or 35,000 XRP now. 35,000 XRP, that's not bad, brother. Well done. Well done, brother. That's nice. Oscar, honest questions. Coin drop is Monday. You still expecting it to, to go up? Um, Let me put it this way. There's 0 listings. Who's going to sell if there's no listings? There's just allocations where people are going to get unlocked, but the unlocked is not going to be everything. It's just going to be 20%. 20%. Here it is. Claiming begins September 1st, 8 a.m. Eastern, so 7 a.m. So there's a chance that for me at my time on Monday at 7 a.m., there's a drop because people are selling. There's another drop. So it could be a nice rise and then a drop. Eventually, when the first one to is because once they claim it, right, they can easily just swap it and boom, leave. But still, like assuming that's the case, the coin must go up like today, tonight, and then tomorrow. We have a full day tomorrow where the coin can maybe go past 0.40. If it goes to 0.40, 0.45, then it does make sense for a big retracement once it goes live. And then it just keeps going up because it's Trump, it's, Trump related. And this one, it may have more things to do, more utility. The thing is that I'm not sure who got it. One thing I know is that this one, you needed to be an accredited investor, because I tried to buy it once the the chance was open, but I couldn't because you needed to be an accredited investor. That's what I remember. If it wasn't this, it was a stock, but it was something like that. When it was first coming out, I'm talking months ago, and I just couldn't, right? But now, whoever got in, I mean, there's 100 billion coins, guys. 100 billion. There's so much space, for investors, for whales, for institutions, and whoever wants to come in with 100 billion coins. If you guys want to get in on what I'm doing exactly, you can come in on BTCC. They have it on BTCC. And that's what we're doing. Literally, I'm trading. I'm literally showing it to you right now on the screen. If you're on my Discord and if you're on my Telegram, I literally told you, when was it? Earlier today, right, Ghost? Or yesterday? I have it right here. If you're one of my subs, yesterday actually.
What's up, my fam? I wasn't gonna do it, but thanks to Ghost, yeah, I'm doing it. So I got 2 long buys for World Liberty Financial right now. 10x
yesterday.
and 15x. I believe that because it's gonna become tradable on the 1st.
So I told you guys, literally told you yesterday. So to my subs, to my Discord members, you see, so if you are a part of us in the private and even the free Telegram, sometimes I do this too, right? It's just a matter that you are in the game, right? I'm very happy to be like thousands of dollars up right now. It's just really awesome. Because I could close and I could make good money right now. Just leave and just do that. Keep doing that. But I'm just gonna wait because my liquidation level is really nice. It's really nice. Monday is a holiday. Nothing gonna happen. Nothing gonna happen for stocks, my friend. I think you're still in the stock market, the stock brain type of thing. In crypto, we never stop. We never pause. We always go and start moving things around. 50x on XRP from 2 days ago. Needed to go past 293 to make some money here. Okay. Oh, you'll be fine, Jason. 50x, crazy stuff, man. You have BTCC and you're trading this one. SD in the house. Let's go. Me too, bro. I'm really happy that they have World Liberty Financial. And I think we're going to do well. I mean, honestly, dude, like it has to go this so I get liquidated. I think I'm fine personally. I mean, anything can happen in crypto, right? But I think I waited for a nice time to get in and I should have done it earlier, but I think I'm okay. Cooking in the house. Isaac, hope you're cooking too, bro, with us. I wonder who's going to be the influencer for this one. Is it going to be like Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump? Because they're talking a lot about USD1. And if you go to the website, it says that Baron Trump is also part of the Baron, It's a part of this one too. But who knows? Says, World Liberty Financial, the coin is building the future of finance. USD1 is just the beginning, trusted by users, institutions, and everyone in between. So I'll tell you this. Everybody here holding XRP, everybody here bullish on XRP. I don't see a reason why World Liberty Financial and Ripple, I don't see them. I don't see why now they couldn't work together in any way. especially, you know, with stable coins, right? Collaborate and help each other out. Because if Ripple says, you know, now that you have a coin, now you're gonna be more established. Come in, let's see what we do. Let's see if there's a space and opportunity. It's just gonna help Ripple at that point. USD1 is coming to Kraken. USD1 again. USD1 on Solana too. USD1 here on BillPad. That's the one that they're chilling a lot, you know, USD1. Ever since, you know, August the 27th, they're already talking about, you know, the incoming release of the coins. USD1 is now live and bullish. Trade, you know, the trusted digital dollar across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Doge. What is this? Heads up, some Coinbase wallet users are having trouble connecting to the World Financial Lockbox. There's a lot of USD1 listings coming in. Yeah, I mean, lately it's just been USD1. Now, what happens? What happens when they begin chilling World Financial, which is their actual coin? It's literally is the name of the page, World Financial, right? I wonder what's going to happen. Because if we do go up, it's going to be good. Because for 100 billion coins, you somewhat have the same price as you know, Kronos. You literally have the same price as Kronos, 29 cents. You see that, fam? 29 cents, 29 cents. But the difference, of course, the big, huge difference is that this one has way more insiders. It's younger. There's zero listing so far. That's really what makes it unique. Kronos, at this time right now, you go to markets, everybody except Binance, guys. Everyone literally except Binance. But World Financial is going to be everywhere. Crypto.com, Coinbase, Binance, OKX, everywhere. So as it's going to be very volatile, I just wonder, well, will this be another Trump coin or will this be another Melania coin? It's not going to be a meme coin, right? It's now going to be the official Trump organization coin. Jimmy R in the house. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Tectonic moving. Let's go. Secretary in the house. What time frame do you prefer to trade? To trade, that's a great question because when I trade and I know, I mean, I'm not stupid, right? I mean, I'm making money, which I'm pretty happy about it. Like, let me just put it this way. I'm not trading for a living, right? So if you want to talk to a big trader that does this for a living, that's not me. Okay? You guys know that. I trade, but when I kind of feel like it, when I hear an opportunity, I process it and I'm like, okay, you know what? Let's go in and boom, here's the result. Somebody who trades is my friend Ghost. He trades. But when I trade and I like what I'm hearing and I see the potential, what I like to do, I don't want to get liquidated, right? So that's the first rule. We don't want to get liquidation levels. So we wait for many things. Number one, volume to be somewhat boring. I like to see the 4 hours because the 4 hours, since I'm not going to be paying attention to the charts, if I look at the 15 minutes, it's just not going to help me. I'm not a scalper or a day trader, right? What I like to do is open and let it go for a while. And I know if I don't touch this, I'm going to be fine. To answer your question, 1 hour, 4 hour, that's good. I wouldn't go a day. It's not really much to see in a day for a coin like this one. But 1 hour, 4 hour, and before I make my trade, take a look at the 15 minutes just to see if I'm entering at a good place based on the RSI. Bollinger Bands too, and that's it. Rush it. And when it comes to leverage, that depends on you, right? I mean, as you can tell, I'm a 10x, bro. I'm not making that much money, right? But at least I'm up and I can leave it there and I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. But some of you, okay, guys, share in the chat right now. What is your leverage on World Liberty Financial? Mine, the max that I have is 13x. But you're about to see those degens that I love a lot. There's one. 50. See? 10x. You got a 10x. You got a 3x, Sacred. Come on, Sacred. What are we playing here, brother? 3x. That's crazy. It's okay, bro. I got a 13x on BingX. Got a 20x. Very good. That's nice. Freaking ghost. Always the ghost. Yeah, Ghost is really good. Great guy. 10x, 90x. Will do. Ali, will do. Yeah, this 13x here, we're cooking. Cooking right here. See the green? Very nice. We're up. And we just hold above $3. You mean XRP? XRP right now we're looking at 284. We just hold above $3. Oh, you want the price to be at $3 and plus? It's gonna be there. It's gonna get there soon, but in due time. But right now it's just great deals. Great deals. Because here's the deal. Of course, I want it to be $3 right now. Why not? We all want it, but what if it's just 3 and you didn't buy? Now you gotta buy $3 XRP instead of a 2.84 XRP. Or was it? Oh yes. Chosen. Sacred is like, I can't lose money. Lost almost 800 bucks. Ooh. You got liquidated, brother? I know the feeling. It's okay, bro. It's okay. I know that you're obviously considering many things. I'm just saying like 3x compared to 50x or 500x. Crazy stuff. You got a 400x on XRP, up 700. Let's go, brother. Good job. Lots on code wallets. Treasure. I'm going to buy a Treasure. I haven't done it, but I got to buy one. I got to buy one for sure. Treasure. Yeah, I think it's a good one. I do have one Ledger, but I think I'm waiting for the Treasure. You scalp 3050x, but not for longer trade. Yeah, 3050x, you got to close in a day. You got to close in a day. Yeah, for sure. I've done 3050x before, and then I don't close it. And it's like I just go 360. I go 360. I go up, and I come down. Same level. If you don't close at 30, 50, 70x, you're going to do 360. Confirm. Why? Because you're going through a time frame. You're going through a period of the volume up, volume down, volume up, volume down. So same thing. You got to pump it up, and don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Okay, so this is the official page for World Liberty Financial. But there's nothing showing. Bitcoin whale has been spotted shifting focus to the Ethereum spot market. The Bitcoin OG, yada 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 yada. I'm beginning to wonder what will be the fate of Gold River Financial when it goes live on the Ethereum ecosystem. A lot of exchanges, including BingX, are all gear up towards the global debut come September 1st. Don't miss out. Dear users, BingX Spot will be listing World River Financial, trading pairs, deposits coming in at 2 UTC, trading time 12, withdrawal time. Only, you can see that. My bad. But it basically says ERC20. So Ethereum, basically. Ethereum. That is 12 hours ago. Testing setups. Okay, so USD1 is a stable and World River Financial governance token, a non-transferable token used to vote on protocol upgrades, incentive structures, and the ecosystem expansion. Yeah, I mean, they have RWA, in a way, DeFi, governance, and stables. They are ready, bro. Locked and ready for what's to come for World River Financial. They have a lot of things. Exciting. I saw what Sensei posted. The Ripple cross-border payment demo. I saw it, right? This is it. What you're watching right now here is the Ripple payment works, how Ripple payment works, basically. Team Ripple has put together a demo of our Ripple payment product on our website. Senior Executive Officer. Ooh. Team Ripple has put together this. Check it. Demo is not supported on mobile screens. Oh, I have to. Okay. Maybe if I move it here. There you go. Ripple payments overview, global payments, stablecoin payouts, manage beneficiaries. Cool. And I'm probably going to make a video about this later on. Tomorrow or Monday. That's going to be a good one. That's nice. Guys, guess what? You got to pump it up, and don't you know, pump it up. It looks like a capstone project. Come on, what's up, Chosen? Guys, you got to pump it up, and don't you know, pump it. We got almost 3,000. Almost 3,000. That's good. 100%. But if we change it to, and we change this one, oh, there you go. Nice. Guys, first link down below, first link at the top of the chat, and take a look at what my admins, my moderators are posting. Join us on BTCZ. One of you is going to get 2,000 XRP very soon. My first video today, I told you the 4 winners. 4 winners. 250 USDT. $250. Now you can find them inside your account. Well done. Congrats. But I wonder who's going to get almost $6,000 very, very, very soon. All you have to do is trade. What I'm actually doing, so I'm one of those creators that I do what I preach. The Oscar dump. Oscar, do you still hold call on Tectonic? Do you see those other Cronus Chain coins also go up? I saw them, bro. I saw them. I don't hold Tectonic anymore, and I don't hold any call anymore right now. I'm holding Ryoshi and push and that's it. I made some changes in my portfolio. I consolidated on Crow. So Crow, right? CRO. And that was one of the best decisions because I know CRO is just going to do so well. And it's been doing so well that although I see the potential that meme coins have and I know they're going to go higher, I just like to keep my money in Crow right now. I have a few memes. Ooh. You need another 5,000 XRP? Of course. Love it. It was a good time to hold Tectonic for sure. It was nice. It was nice. Didn't have that much money in Tectonic, but I had a pretty decent amount. So when I saw a nice pump, I was like, I'm gonna take some profits here, but all the money stayed on Kronos Chain, which I'm pretty happy about. But instead of Tectonic, got myself some Crow. What a delicious dip. I posted this a couple minutes ago. It's time to pump. And well, for sure, I wanted to pump. Pump it. September. You know, October, bro. October. October is going to be a big one. I know it's going to be a big one. I think I have to move this one here to work, maybe.
It's an asset class that everybody wants, and there's a finite amount of it, and people are clamoring to get it. And you know what, every day I get to hear from people saying, you know, is it too late to buy cryptocurrency? And I said, it's actually the earliest you could ever get in. I mean, literally. The amount of people...
Not really, but it's a Trump. He's a Trump. So it's obviously he has his father's genes, and he's going to make it sound like you're making fire, right? 5,000 years ago, you're making fire like this is the greatest ever. I wouldn't agree to that. So I'll be honest, like it's early. We're early, but it's not the earliest.
People who come up to me who run the biggest financial institutions in the world who right now are trying to figure out how to treasury Bitcoin, guys, it's every single one of them. Like the race hasn't ended. The race is literally just beginning right now. There isn't a day that somebody powerful around the world, including this morning, by the way, at breakfast, literally 10 of the biggest families in Hong Kong, were literally grilling me on how they get exposure to cryptocurrency, how they start buying it, because they're late to the race. So for every person in here that has Bitcoin, because it's an asset class that everybody wants, and there's a finite amount of it, and people are clamoring to get it. And you know what, every day I get to hear from people saying, you know, is it too...
He's talking about Bitcoin, not about World Leader Financial, just FYI. He's not talking about this one, he's talking about Bitcoin. But I always like to hear from them. Why will World Leader Financial launch on September 1st make history? This coin, the one that we're watching right now, well, you know, the one that we're kind of curious. I'm curious, right? That's why I'm live. And I'm watching XRP and I'm holding my XRP. You know, we're like excited to see what's gonna happen. But this beauty is gonna be listed in the following exchanges. Already confirmed: Binance, Bybit, Maxi, Gate.io, Bitget, Kraken, HTC, KuCoin, OKX, BingX, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. Crypto.com is gonna happen too, very, very, very fast. Guys, going to $1 wouldn't surprise me. Am I the only one here? Anybody alive? Going to $1, it wouldn't surprise me, honestly. Just a 3x. Nothing. Ghost. What price do you think we're gonna see this coin? I don't know how to say it. How do you say it? WLFI? 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 It's weird. It's not like XRP or Crow or BTC or is WLFI. Crazy, bro. I don't know how to say it. Help. WLFI. Sounds like I'm saying Will Smith. Or Liberty Financial. Not catchy at all. I don't know. I know it's not catchy. WLFI. 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 I have to hear another creator say it so I can say it. Wi-Fi. I know. Yeah, I'm just gonna say Wi-Fi, bro. I mean, just Wi-Fi. That's it. Okay, I didn't see you, Ghost. What price you think we're gonna go? What price you guys think? I mean, honestly, like, don't say like $100 or so, right? Like, think about it. 100 billion listing everywhere. It's 30 cents right now. 10x is $3. If we do 10x, this is gonna be $30,000. $30,000 just at $3. $30,000 in my account right now. So there's 600 people watching. What are you supposed to do? Well, you said $3. Not bad. $50. Somebody says they say $5. Dude, I'm excited, bro. Because this can be easy money too. Or it can be another story like Melania, where we thought we were going to make a bunch of money because everything was going great with Trump coin. And Trump coin was doing really well for us. And Trump coin was fine. And there was no problem at all. But here it comes Melania and everything gets wrecked. I hope there's not going to be a WLFI number 2 and everybody gets wrecked again. Because if you just let this coin take its time, get listed, and just enjoy, that's it. That's all we need. Literally all we need. But you know what I need? I need more money. I need more money to go long. Yeah, like even XRP is telling me right here, hey, WLFI is hot. Buy it. WLFI is hot. WLFI is hot. Like, I know, dude. I know it's hot. I'm watching it. Oh, I just got some. Ooh, 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 ooh. I just got some. I'm excited. Bitunix. Can you trade Bitunix, this guy? Ooh, you can trade it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. We got some cash. I don't want to buy this pump. You feel me? I have to wait a little bit. Wait. First, let me start moving some things around. We got some cash. Gotta move it to futures. What's up, Marty? Thanks so much. I'm confused. It's Sunday and we're not 20% in red. Well, for you, it's Sunday. For us, it's still Saturday. Just a couple minutes away. But yeah, welcome. Welcome, welcome. So, a good amount. Because if I go long right now, 20x, I'm gonna get liquidated like a 28. Let me see. 29. Oh, what? 29 for a 20x? Ghost. I think it's 29, bro. No, that's too risky, bro. That's too risky. 29.51 is my liquidation. Now, I don't like it. I don't like it. You're in future. Yeah, too risky, bro. I mean, like, if I do 10x, it's gonna be what? It's 27.80. I like it, but look. It's 27.85, and we have a consolidation here a little bit in the daily at 27, early 27s. So I like that. So we have to. I mean, if it comes all the way here, we have at least some consolidation. I like that for a 10x. What's up, Raul Guevara? Welcome, buddy. Happy to see you and welcome. Yeah, Bitunix is banned in the US. Yeah, guys. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know. It's because, I have it right here. I could get it out, from Bitunix to another one that I can use. So many. I mean, you need to use VPNs and stuff like that. The things that we have to do to buy with cheaper fees. Yes. How do you get WLFI? By buying it? Like the futures, that's what you mean. If it dips again before Monday, yeah, I mean, honestly, I have to wait. I cannot just go long right now. It's just too risky for me. I think from right now till Sunday, like 24 hours from now, we must have a dip. We must have a dip. That's the way I see it. I don't know if you're still using Bitunix in the US. What happens? Let me explain. Let me explain the ban or not ban. Or here's what happens. They tell you that it's banned in the US, which is right, which or like you cannot. It's recommended not to use it because they won't be able to help you if something happens with funds or so. I have a bad experience with that with Margex. So reality is that you want to use exchanges obviously where they're allowed to attend users, right? Legally can attend you, help you, and whatever. And you can use the exchange, of course. So now we learned that you cannot use Bitunix here in the US. Okay, fine. So, but do people still do it? Of course, right? But that's whatever they wanna. That's on them basically. I've talked to many exchanges and it's a mess. You have to find the ones, of course, that you're gonna be safe and that you talk to them and you explain and you hear from them saying, "Oh yeah, we're fine. Like BTCC. BTCC is good. Wix is fine too. Lately, I learned that Bitunix wasn't. So that's why I'm just keeping it on the side. In Phantom Wallet, there is another WLFI coin, not stock. It keeps going up. Don't you know? Pump it up. Oh, baby. We got to pump it up. And don't you know? Pump it up. Guys, everybody, drop a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells, everybody, and welcome. Welcome. I have no problem with Maxi from UK. They're still listing. It's crazy how us as users, bro, like you do have to do your research, right? You need to do your research and find the places and find the ways, right? Like I have my chat with BTCC, bro. Look, I never shown you this, which I'm not gonna reveal things, of course. But I got this one, the ambassador one, and that's the BTCC one. So I go hard on them. I love them. But I go hard on them. Hey, this is not working. Hey, I don't like this. Hey, add this. Hey, check this. Hey. And I go at them and they reply and they're always so amazing. That's BTCC, our BTCC. because they're obviously trying to be really, really good and better. And I'm a very picky guy as far as my trades and my money. So that really just helps them so much, right? And it's just for the betterment of everybody. Like, guess what I'm proposing that we don't have on BTCC right now? Passkeys. You see that on You had to do it. You had to do it. You couldn't wait. Mansoor, you couldn't wait. You had to do it. And big shout out to Mansoor in the house. Can't believe it, bro. I was barely talking a little bit of BTCC flavor, bro. I was already getting in my thing and everything and telling everybody all the secrets. Thank you, Mansoor. Appreciate it, buddy, and welcome. Send it, bro. Let's go. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. That's why you're on my Discord, bro. Anything, let us know. So what I was about to say is that I'm telling them to add passkeys because on BingX and on Bitunix, you can use your Face ID and send. It's so easy. It's so easy. I love it. I love it. So you see how on BTCC you have to add like a few things and the code and the password and this and that, and it takes a long time, right? On BingX, whoever uses BingX, it's so easy. Just address this, passkey, which is your Face ID, and that's it. So easy. So I like that a lot. I told him, we need passkeys. Please, passkeys. It's going to make our life easier. People are going to love it. Add passkeys. I talked to them because on BTCC, when I went to Dubai, they asked me, hey, do you have any coins? And I told them CRO. I told them CRO when I was in Dubai this May, and they added CRO. So if you're trading CRO and BTCC, well, yep, I was the one. Also, I found Pro with Knife got listed. That wasn't me, but I'm so happy it got listed. So somebody is paying attention and they got it listed, right? So well done. You see? Let me get one, Mansoor. Thank you, Mansoor. Appreciate that a lot. Welcome, welcome. Make sure you drop a thank you. Absolutely, guys. Look at all those new members, bro. Look at all the new members right now, bro. That's amazing. Ghost. We're doing it, buddy. We are doing it right now. So nice. It's so nice. I was skeptical at first about fingerprints. It's your Face ID. It's your Face ID. Mm. $5 billion. One day, 7 hours launch. 7 a.m.? Let me see. Oh, self-reported circulating supply 5 billion. Interesting. Pretty cool. Yeah, obviously, guys, like even though it's 100 billion total, doesn't mean that the 100 billion will be in circulating supply. If it's 5 or 10 billion or 25 billion, that's much better than having 100 billion, you know? All I know is this. If this coin actually gets crazy, like crazy, 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 who do you think won't shut up about it? Who do you think? Who do you think won't shut up about it, bro? It's his coin. It's his coin. He won't. Oh, wow. We're about to be 380, Ghost. We're about to be 380. All of you need to calm down. Nothing will happen to XRP price until the ledger has utility. Stop all this BS. Hyping, eyeing up. We're going to continue to hype. XRP backs, thank you for giving us more energy. Let's go. Keep the hype up. I'll tell you the way I see things. If you bought a month ago, yeah, you're probably feeling that way. But if you bought, like me, last year, you're feeling pretty good. You're really feeling pretty good because you did what you were supposed to do, right? You didn't wait for Trump to win to get XRP. You didn't wait for him to take the oath of office for you to buy XRP. Just did it. Thank you, Mansoor. Appreciate it and welcome, buddy, as always. 50 members. You do realize that you can bid buy the real, token right now on certain exchanges, but it's the current futures price, or you can bid higher. Will go in your wallet on Monday, though. Yeah, I don't do that right now. Like if they giving me like a futures, I'll just take the futures. I don't really get too involved into those DEX, on-chain type of things, especially with new tokens. I'm just gonna buy it from the exchange. Perfect. Look, on BTCC it's 390. It's 3092. And here on Binance is 3052. That's the difference there is. Look at the big difference we have right now. It goes up, it goes down. It's so crazy. But once we have this out, oh, bro, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be good. Oh wow, 30,000 people already seeing this. That's pretty good. So I posted. A friend of mine told me that's Ghost to long World Financial ASAP. I did. Update 1. Update 2. Update 2. We're doing well. I'll wait for tomorrow for update 3. How we doing? Imagine, bro. Something like that, bro. I mean, if we do 1 billion, that takes it to the one page on CoinMarketCap. If the coin goes to 1 billion market cap, yeah, one page, first page, market cap, easy. There it is. It's gonna be in the top 100, and it's a Trump coin. This guy must be in the first page of CoinMarketCap. That means that the coin could have at least $700 million in market cap. So let's do coin perspective. Little bit of coin perspective right here. Come on, buddy. Don't tell me you're gonna glitch on me. Oh, really? Oh man, I was actually gonna use it. I was actually gonna use coin perspective to do a little magic here. Really? Oh, wow. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, really? It happens. Hello from Las Vegas, top of the Caesar's Palace. What's up, Sos? Fox Night in the house. Let's go, hey guys. Vegas. I actually have a friend there right now. That's pretty good too. Vegas in the house. Let's go. As you can tell, this is a cozy space. You know, we have a good amount of people. We don't have the thousands that we usually get during the week right now. Who is watching crypto, right? That's why I'm like, am I the only one here? But no, I'm having a great time with my fam. It's good. It's good. Sin City. Oh, yeah, I know. Every time you stream XRP dips. Well, we're chilling right there. I mean, I'm just excited. You know, I think I'm happy that what I made today, you know, started at 26, 27. Just with 10x, imagine going much bigger. Like I didn't want to do more than 10x. I should have done much. I should have done like 15x or something. But I was just very cautious because I thought like, hey, if somebody decides to sell and then I don't want to lose, you know, my money. So just a 10x and we're doing okay today. Houston in the house. What's up, Jay? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Houston. Send it. Look at all of this. This is exactly why my community is the best. We have Riverside, Planets, Ghost, Sacred, Ghost, Cheaper. You got like 6 of my good friends here. Amazing. River, Planets, Ghost, Sacred, and River. Are you on my Discord? Sacred, River. Are you on my Discord? Are you in the Discord, guys? I don't remember. Okay, River, it is good. Sacred, you're also there. Sometimes I forget, guys, because in the house. You're two? Good, good, good. Awesome, awesome. Okay, good, 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 good. Nice, nice. You should be there. Not on the Discord. Sorry, Ghost. Come on, Ghost. You're my admin. You're El Jefe, bro. Ghost is the boss. Nice, guys. Nice, nice, nice. So, I want to say that it's been a very successful day. Even though XRP is chilling, other positions are climbing, which we like that. We like that. We'll have our eyes tomorrow for Sunday Night Live, everybody. Excited? Price of BTC. You know, I was trying to do something, but as always, chilling there and holding the line. But hey, I wouldn't be mad if all eyes go to WLFI and we keep pumping or we do much better. I'll be very happy to see that. Guys, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's the 1 hour. Just wanted to stop by for a while. And I can hear my dryer, so time for me to fold some clothes. Oh, yes, we do that. Please be safe. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your awesome night or morning if you're in another part of the world, guys. Blessings. God bless you all. Please keep it up, and we'll be here chilling and relaxing. Once again, Mansoor, I'll see you in the Discord. Thank you so much, buddy, for the kind donation. And welcome to all the new members. Hope you enjoy. Use the emojis. It's going to be a good one. It's really going to be a big one. Because to all my new 50 members, guess what? You'll be here when we watch Jerome Powell cut rates. So you better be ready with those emojis. You're going to need them. You're really going to need them. Peace. Hopefully, when I wake up, I'm not liquidated. Oh, baby. Let's go.